Okay, abusia for me church obi asa mo bibi akwa ba edeba enkasa TV enkasa kase eboso na edu sisi a meso se ne de edi kan utimi na so hwe me meso so obe subscribe obe share na chese wode wadwen chesu begu comment section kama kama wishim ni akinkan bibi amamo fefefe ye bebo we NDC mu tentem ya na enyoma bi bubo fi Ghana mpanyimfo no bi a kyese omo pese omo bo oman na abro kyese nnwoma omo di kyese abusuafo enya asɛmpeto akwa owura bi di nsɛm bi aba abeto abɔnten kyese abusuafo meso kama ho nkutie nsɛm no mu nkyɛmu na yeba abeto aso mi de obi bi ase meso wode wadwen kyese begu comment section ni akinkan bibi amam share emo adofofo bi aso nsanka video ni omo hu de ekoso oman Ghana mu ase mi de obi bi ase.
Appeals Court judge sitting with additional responsibility as an High Court judge has just delivered a ruling here at the court complex where she has dismissed all the applications filed by the first and then the third accused. The Attorney General is walking out now. We can engage him quickly. What do you make of the ruling? First off, let's begin with the directive by the judge who advised you to recuse yourself from the ongoing.
I think you remember you were in court. The judge herself, even after the ruling, clarified that she has not given any such order at all. And that is only an advice. And what did you notice afterwards? I'm conducting the matter, I'm still conducting the trial. The most important point today is that all the applications filed by the applicants have been dismissed in their entirety. All the 5 applications have failed. And I think that in reaction to this, I would say that clearly shows there's a group of people in this country who ride on manipulation of facts, distortion and deception of the public. They're always seeking to mislead and deceive the public. Today they've been exposed. That is what I say. I leave the rest to my friends.
So now that they've been dismissed, all the applications have been dismissed. Yes. How do you see this case going forward?
Well, today when I was coming, I had a song in my spirit. Head of that church triumphant. You know that song? Please. We joyfully adore thee. And then it goes on. Precisely. Continue. You have to play it in your radio stations. Head of thy church triumphant, we joyfully adore thee. And I said to you that they will lay traps, but all the traps I'll flee from them. And indeed, only righteousness will prevail.
Would you object? Would you object to the audio recording now?
I'm not speaking again.
Thank you very much. So that's the Attorney General Godfrey Yeboah, who was just. He sang a song I don't know, just to indicate that he is going to prevail. Just referencing what he said to us the last time he was in court, that they're going to set traps on his way, but he will prevail. Nana B was also in court. A quick one from Nana B. What do you make of the proceedings today? Dismissal of all the applications by A3 and A1, and what is also another takeaway is the fact that the AG has been advised to stay away. Let's begin with the dismissals.
I think, first of all, this is what we've been saying all this while, that you cannot churn falsehood outside in the public domain, and you think you can transfer such falsehood into the courtroom. No, I mean, I've always said this, and today they have been exposed badly, right? And all the applications they filed were dismissed, and we're all in court. The judge gave, reasons, deep reasons, well researched reasons why all of these applications were must be dismissed. Right?
You also agree that she finds it problematic that the Attorney General was engaging a suspect or an accused person in a conversation on a matter that is sitting before the court.
I'm not sure she said.
She said that.
No. She said that.
That is why she advised him to stay away.
There's anything at all. There should be a different platform for that, and that is why she suggested that it is General Legal Counsel.
Okay, so Sami, tell us first of all, what do you make of the dismissal of all the applications filed by Casey Latoforsen and then Richard Jakwa?
Well, we will categorize our position on the proceedings of today in 3 parts. First is to commend the trial judge for delivering such a detailed, reasoned ruling on these interlocutory applications. As a lawyer myself and a student of the law, I must say that I was impressed. This enriches our jurisprudence and helps students of law to appreciate the law. It helps us to constructively agree and disagree or criticize the judgment. Where there are serious issues about abuse of the court processes, the court has the jurisdiction to deal with those matters under Article 140. And we don't know of any known law that takes away that power. The trial judge also makes statements about that the Attorney General did not utter certain words, okay? Words that Mr. Japa uttered on the tape, that you have been meeting me in my cousin's house and you've been telling me to testify in this particular way, and if I do that, I will be dishonest and I'll be helping you to jail an innocent man. I'm paraphrasing, right? And the trial judge says those were words uttered by Mr. Japa. But the trial judge forgets that was a conversation. Clearly we disagree, right? That's the court decision, we disagree, the lawyers will advise. But let me tell you the other good things about the ruling, which we agree with. What we agree with and commend the judge for was, number one, to admit Exhibit CAF2, CAF2, which is the audio recording the NDC put out. That is a heavy blow for Godfred Dame, who has been trying to escape accountability. More tapes are coming up. Then number two, and that is the juice of this matter. That is what makes all of us happy about this matter, is that the trial judge says that it gives great discomfort for an Attorney General and Minister of Justice to be speaking to an accused person when he knows that he's not supposed to be speaking to the accused person in the first place. And the judge, clearly, even though she denied jurisdiction, has given us a cue and we know what to do. Aside that, the judge went on to say that Godfred Dame should stay away. She is advising or directing, whatever word you use.
What's an advice?
An advice can lead to a direction. Strongly advise. Since Ghana became Ghana, from the days of attorney generals like Geoffrey Bink, have you ever heard a court telling an attorney general that I'm strongly advising you to stay away from a case? The attorney general, in whom all the prosecutorial powers of state are vested, being told by a judge that I strongly advise you, stay away. This is a shame.
The judge has already made pronouncements on the tape. She has listened to it 10 times. That is what she said, that she's listened to the audio recording 10 times, and nowhere in the audio recording did she hear the Attorney General coaching Richard Japa to give testimony in a certain direction to incriminate the first accused, Dr. K. And the judge says she has listened to the audio and she didn't find anywhere in the audio recording that got the first accused to incriminate the first accused. She said going through ordeal were the words not authored by Godfred Dame, and in fact, they were words said by Richard Japa. That is according to the judge. And I am not asking you to help me with the words of the Attorney General. The case has since been adjourned to Tuesday. We will come back here because Richard Japa is mounted the witness box again and is being cross-examined.